Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on HubSpot basic features. And for today's video, I would like to show you how we can refine our traffic sessions analytics. So, as you might know, HubSpot provides a lot of different reports and tools to calculate your traffic performance and basically all your visitor activities. But you might have faced one big issue is that when you, as part of the marketing team, you might go and back to your website, to your blog page, and it might make your traffic sessions result not optimized at all. And HubSpot allows you to refine that by just excluding some IP addresses on your portal. So to do so, you just click on Settings, Tracking and Analytics, and go to Tracking Code. So basically, this code is the code you're supposed to embed on all your web page, unless you use HubSpot CMS and it's automatically down. But when you go to Advanced Tracking, you can just go down and you can have those different IP addresses to exclude. The good thing is that HubSpot gives you your IP address. You can just copy, paste it here. You can add another one, let's say, I don't know, the one from your colleague, and add all the different IP addresses of your colleagues. So the idea is you ask them to fill an Excel sheet with all their IP addresses and you copy paste them here. When you save it, automatically HubSpot will exclude the traffic that comes from those specific IP addresses and you will have fully reliable analytic reports. I hope this video was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get a deeper knowledge of your HubSpot portal and how to set it up in the most optimized way, you can find on the description below the link to my free training. It was Greg, I wish you a good day and see you soon.